In 3D model, many a times we require multiple scenes of a particular model. Like in architectural model, we need particular plans, elevations from different directions. So for that, in SketchUp, we have a tool that is scenes, through which we can just go to that particular angle and can view anytime whenever we want. So to use that tool, we can go to window, we will just check it is in screen, it is ticked there. So on the default tray, we'll pin it, and under the scene menu, this is the scene menu we have here, and there are certain options we are going to have here. To create a new scene, we just have to click this plus button to add a new scene. Just like I will click it here. So here it is writing it scene 1, and if we just click on this, it will show the all the attributes that we are going to include in this scene, like camera location, hidden geometry, visible layer, active section planes, style, fog, shadows, and access locations. it it basically saves the attributes of a particular scenes, and whatever you want with that particular scene. And if I want to create a new scene, like just like this, new perspective, and when I click on this scene, this is our scene 2. So it also have certain attributes that were also presented earlier, and we can switch between scenes like this, and you can see this is animating between two scenes. And also there is another shortcut that you if you don't want to create a scene, add a scene from here, under the camera, sorry, under the view, under animation, you can always add up scene from here also. It's just user friendly tools that we can find here. And the next thing is, when we see there are when we switch between scenes, there is an animation. We can see the camera is going through the plane. So if you want it like this, it is okay. But if we directly want to switch between scenes, if we don't want this animation, just go into view, go into animation, and then settings, and here it is enable scene transitions. If you don't want any transition, just take it off, and when we switch between scenes, it just directly switch among scenes. So it's a nice way to just have a quick view of the scenes that we have created. Also, like if we see in architectural background, sometimes we need plan, section, elevation. So these creating these scenes help us in a lot of way. If we see, if I want a plan of this particular model, so I will go on the top, but right now it is in perspective, so I will just click on the parallel projection. Now it is a proper plan, having a parallel having parallel projection, we can get a proper plan. So I have to save it for future. So what I will do, I will just go to the scene, and I will add new scene. So and I will write it as a plan. Plan. So once I switch between scenes, it is present here. And if I just enable the screen transitions here, so when I switch between scenes, look how the plan converts into the particular perspective that we have already have the scene of. And also, like if I want to create elevations too, just go to the camera, standard views, left. So we have proper front elevation of this particular building, And what I will do, I will add a scene here. I will write elevation 1, and so here are our scene. So when I switch among scenes, is directly have these reference. So it's quite easy for us to look at the particular view whenever we want. If any changes, we have to done it and revert back to the particular scenes that we have created earlier. So it will help us to have visualization from that particular camera view whenever we require. So for 3D renderers, for the people who are going to do rendering, but in between they want to do some changes here, like if I want to go take this angle as a rendering, and I want to add some furnitures here, so I will add a scene here, and then I will just go and quickly add furnitures to the interior of this model, and then I will just click on this, and I will just revert back to this particular scene and render it whenever I require. So try it by yourself. You will find it really user friendly, and it will help you to 3D model as well as to have a perspective and a view of a particular camera angle whenever you need.